In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Epson Ecotank printer. I'm using the ET2860 model, but these steps work for most Ecotank printers because the buttons and system are almost the same. This reset mainly clears the Wi-Fi settings so you can set up the printer again from scratch. Important steps. 1. Turn the printer on. 2. Press and hold the power button and the information E button together for about 5 seconds. 3. If that doesn't work on your model, press and hold the power button and the rightmost button instead for about 5 seconds. 4. Wait for the lights to start flashing. This means the Wi-Fi settings have been reset. 5. After lights begin blinking, the printer is now in Wi-Fi setup mode for 2 to 3 minutes. 6. Open the Epson Smart Panel app on your phone. 7. Use the app to set up a new Wi-Fi connection to your printer.